Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and very unique stitch pattern. It looks so beautiful and pretty. See, as you can see here, it has this beautiful pattern. See, you can use this pattern in your ladies sweater, cardigan, jacket, shawl. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 14 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast in multiples of 14 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 14 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. For the demonstration, I have 31 stitches on my needle, which is 14 plus 14, 28 plus 1 extra stitch 29 and 2 edge stitch 31. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side, and before you start the repeat, first you will always do ssk. Before you start the repeat, you will do your edge stitch and then ssk. SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK. And after these 2 stitch, start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 5, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, which is this pattern. See, knit 5, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 5 again, and here we're gonna do S2KP. So knit 5, 2, 4, 5, and then yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then S2KP. S2KP means slip 2 together, knit twice, slip 2 together, knit twice, knit the next stitch, and pass this 2 stitch over this 1 stitch. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then S2KP. This is the repeat pattern. We have one more repeat that again. Knit 5, sorry, you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish all repeats, we don't have enough stitches for another repeat. So after you finish all repeats, you for your last 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 stitch, last 14 stitch, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5, and then knit 2 together. Here SSK and here knit 2 together, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and for every wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip, and then start the first ssk, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and knit these two together through the back loop, ssk. And now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, and then yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, and yes to kp. Here slip 2 together, knit twice, and then knit the next stitch, and then pass this 2 slip stitch over this 1 stitch, yes to kp. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 4 again, and yes to kp. You will repeat this repeat pattern. We don't have enough stitches for another repeat, so after you finish all repeats, for a last 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 stitch, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 2 together, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. For row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5, we have done our row 4 here, and now row 5. For row 5, your edge stitch, slip, and then ssk, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and knit these 2 together through the back loop, ssk, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, and here now we're gonna do yarn over, knit 1, knit the first stitch, yarn over, knit 1, and then bring this yarn in front and slip 3 here, 1, 2, 3. We're making these loops, right? We're making these loops here. So yarn in front, slip 3, and then knit 1, yarn in back, knit 1, and yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yes to kp, slip 2 together, knit twice, knit 1, and pass these 2 slip stitches over this 1 stitch. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn in front and slip 3, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, yes to kp. This is the repeat pattern, and your last 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then knit 2 together, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6 wrong side, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 7. For row 7, your edge stitch, slip on the right side and start the first ssk, and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn in front, knit slip 5, 1 2 3 4 5, slip 5, and yarn in back, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, 1 2, and then yes to kp, slip 2 together, knit twice, and then knit 1 and pass over. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, slip 5 with yarn in front, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, yes to kp, and your last 14 stitch, knit 2, 1 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 5, 1 2 3 4 5, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, 1 2, and then knit 2 together, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 8, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 9, edge stitch, slip, and then ssk, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and yarn in front, slip 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, slip 7, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and then here yes to kp, slip 2 together, knit 1, and then pass over. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and then slip 7 with yarn in front, 2 4 6 7, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and then yes to kp. This is the repeat pattern, and your last 14 stitch, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, slip 7, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and then knit together, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, your edge stitch, slip, and then ssk, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over, knit 1, and yarn in front, slip 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8 9, slip 7, yarn over, slip 7, yarn in back, knit 1, and then yarn over, yes to kp. That's the repeat from here to here. Yarn over, knit 1, slip 9, 2 4 6 8 9, slip 9 with yarn in front, knit 1, yarn over, yes to kp, and your last 14 stitch, yarn over, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, yarn in back, knit 1, and then yarn over, knit 2 together, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 12, purl all stitches. purl all stitches. Row 13, your edge stitch, slip and then knit 1. Now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6, 2, 4, 6 and then knit this stitch, this one stitch with these 4 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 loops like so, see, and then knit 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and knit these 4 loops with this one stitch and then knit 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. This is the repeat pattern and we have one more repeat. So repeat that again. Knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6 and then knit this stitch with these 4 loops and then knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and your edge stitch knit on the right side. See, now last row, row 14. On row 14, only on row 14 on the wrong side you will knit all stitches, row 14, knit all stitches. On the wrong side edge stitch purl. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. See, this is one repeat. Now repeat this 14 rows, row 1 to row 14 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. I have done 3 repeats here. This is 1 repeat, 2 repeat and 3 repeats. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.